Karioko igwe kono warakagurikira
Wanda noteza na karibu
para na omo na mazee makampo
waiti
We are here now with a delegation from the Rwanda Defense Forces, headed by the Army Chief of Staff, General Vincent Nyakarundi, on the regular meetings that we shall be having after every 3 months to revise and improve on security, on the security between our two borders, between our two countries, along the border in western Uganda, south and west. We need to address some challenges that we have been facing. We well know that we all have our enemies in the DRC, the ADF. There is also the FDLR and others who want to destabilize our two countries. So we hold these meetings to look at the challenges and how we can address them. These meetings also are carried out to enhance and improve in our relations between the two brotherly countries. That's why you see us here now. If there is any question, both in Rwanda and now here in Uganda, and they are going to continue like this. Every after 3 months, we shall be having meetings on either side of the country. We shall be going to Rwanda, where we have been before. They have come here, we shall also go there after every 3 months. We have to carry out everything. We shall have to revise the challenge. To takatana na bagenzi wetu wa RDF, the Army Chief of Staff, General Vincent Nyakarundi, alikuwa na delegation ile na division commanders wa Rwanda na wiko wa Uganda programu to obviously the security kila mmoja abasi kwetu wanyakuli Kongo kutabaniza tugumba ya kabiri tora na programu twayongeraho mu Rwanda wetu mu zaidi zero ibiri Rwanda na Uganda kuongeraho kumanyangana kongeraho mu confidence building no kukorana nyingi kuletereza peace okuba obusinge no kurakorana.
First of all, I would thank my counterpart, Kayanja, the Commander-in-Chief of UPDF, for the warm welcome since and the hospitality since our arrival in this beautiful city of Baraka. These meetings, proximity commanders meeting, they come from the last Joint Permanent Commission that was held in Rwanda, which decided and recommended, among other things, that this meeting of proximity commanders should be held to address issues of cross-border threats or activities. So that's, and then from the guidance of our Chief of Defense Force and the continued exemplary leadership of our two heads of state, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Uganda, and President Paul Kagame of Rwanda, who understand the strong historical bond existing between our two countries. And all we do is to cherish it as a command, to play our part in ensuring our communities on both sides live in harmony. So that's the purpose of these meetings, and we shall continue, like he said. First meeting was in Nyagatare in Rwanda, the second meeting in Barara, the third meeting will be held in Rwanda.
There's no breastfeeding or something?
They do breastfeed, like cows. The way you see the cows.
Eland. I know this one may know, and others, it's Shwaga. Topi, Enyemera. Zebra, Tentureji. Giraffe, if luck is in your favor, Entwiga. Impala.
Yes, Impala.
So, and many more. When you deal with wildlife, there is no guarantee on anything. I may say all these things and they choose to disappear for the day. But chances are high that these people you see here that I have selected to take each car, they have the tricks, they have the bait to attract them. You will find them somehow, because these people, they are trained to find things we don't find. If I guide you, you will not see a leopard, but these guys will know where to find it. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I take you, may I?
Nose kwegera nk'ibyemewe wakwegereye.
Biremewe.